Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Baglage 2024. Cover story on sustainable CO2 seed oil extraction equipment.
Euler shows profitable growth in 2022.
Short feature about new magnetically coupled motion speed control.
What machinery is needed to make paddy into rice?
6,000 TPD soybean crushing plant successfully putting into operation.
The feature of the safety design of grain storage steel silo.
Pakistan's surplus rice and maize will be exported to new destinations including Africa.
Basmati rice sales are likely to increase due to high realization and healthy demand.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
IOM Euro-Asia Conference and Expo, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.